Today I am going to show how to add buttons in form ribbon and grid ribbon. I will launch CRM 2011. I will show you where I am going to add the button. In case entity or the case tab actions group, I am going to add a button called reset. The button will, here it will appear after importing the customization. First we need to export the solution which will have the case entity. Now I am going to create a new solution and I will add the case entity. Publisher, default publisher is fine. I'm saving. You can export the default solution also, but the size of the default solution will be more because it will have all the system entities. And here I am adding the case entity. Suppose if we are going to add controls to basic home tab or jewel, we need to export the application ribbon also. We need to add the application ribbon also. But here we are going to add button in form ribbon, case entity is fine. Now I am exporting. Next. After exporting, it will give a zip file. We are exporting it as unmanaged. If we are exporting as managed, we can't edit the customization. I'm saving it to my local. We need to extract the file which we imported. So this customization XML file we can edit in any text editor, but it will be good if we export in, if we edit in Visual Studio 2010, or we can use any XML editor which will support the XML schema definition file, because CRM 2011 gives the XML schema definition file which will give the IntelliSense. I am opening this customization file in Visual Studio 2010. Here it is, the case entity. As we know, we need to navigate to ribbon diff XML. On entity creation, the ribbon diff XML definition file will be created in the database. After importing this customization, this will override the system ribbon definition file. Here I am adding my custom code. Once again I am navigating to ribbon diff XML element. Ribbon diff XML will have the child elements of custom actions, templates, command definitions, rule definitions, local labels. Custom actions, here we will add all the buttons, all the custom controls we will add onto the custom actions. And the templates will refer the template, or we can create the template and we can refer here. Here I am referring the default CRM template. Rule definitions, here just we will set the rules like tab display rules, and enable rules. Tab display rules, and enable rules are the child elements of the rule definitions. The local labels, we will add the tooltip and name of the button. And in coming to the rule definitions, here we will set the rules, so where exactly it should be visible and where exactly it should be enabled. So here I added the code for the context sensitive ribbon also. When the field status code value equal to 4, then only this button should be visible. Earlier in CRM 4.0, we will write JavaScript on change of the field values, it should be visible. So here they are providing the element called value rule. Using this we can get control on attributes. You can add multiple attributes also on the enable rules. Here we can, like this, we can add multiple attributes. And all the rules which we created in the rule definitions will be referred in the command definitions, and the ID of the command definition will be referred in the custom actions button element. The command In the command we will refer the ID of the command definition, and we will refer all the label text and tooltip IDs in the button. And template alias we will refer as ASP, and image 32 by 32 which I uploaded in the CRM 2011. So here this is how we will refer the web resource using the $web resource colon. This is the fad_research is the name of the image which I uploaded. Now we will save this customization and we will zip it and will import into the CRM 2011. And saving, and I am zipping. This solution we need to import in the CRM. Go to settings, solutions, and import. So if we get any error here, this will give a log file where exactly it is failing. Next, if you have any errors, it will show here in the next step. Now we don't have any errors, so we can publish the customization. Still it is publishing. Close. After publishing, we need to refresh the CRM, and we'll go to service case. We'll open the case record. Here research button is visible on the form ribbon of the case entity, but it is disabled because the status reason is not researching. I added a condition in XML that when status reason equal to researching, then the research button should be visible and enabled. So now I will set status reason equal to researching, then it will be enabled. On click of this, bing.com is open. And suppose if we want to hide this research button on change of the status reason, we need to use the element hide custom action. This is the child element of custom action, and we need to add the JavaScript on change of the status reason, which will refresh the form ribbon. Now I will show you how to add button in the grid ribbon. I'll show the custom code. Code is same to add button in grid ribbon and form ribbon. Only here we will change the location, and all elements will be same. Here the location ID instead of form we will use home page grid, and we will add the entity name. This ID we will get using IE developer tool, or we will find the ID in SDK. And the button I already added in the CRM. The name of the button is send to other system. I will show that in CRM. This is the button which I added in the grid ribbon of the account. So here I have, there in code I added the condition on the enable rule. On selection of one record, this send to other system button should be enabled. If I select multiple records, this button will be disabled. I show the element which will enable and disable the button. Under enable rules, we will add the element select count rule. So this has 3 attributes applies to maximum and minimum. In the maximum and minimum, we will set the range so that on selection of that range the button will be enabled. If you have any questions, you can send email. In this URL you can sign up so that you will get free access to CRM 2011 beta. Thank you.